Hey there, good afternoon. Welcome to Devil and Dove. Hope you're having a great day. I'm feeling pretty spiffy. I hadn't had any Christmas oopa, so I caught a little bit of that. Put up some lights. Okay, so hair clips have become my number one. I gotta figure it out. There's got to be something that is gonna just strike and look absolutely perfect. So this is the pink. I did the cover of the clip face in pink leaf. There we go. I got it out. And then I did the resin for the 4 leaves. And I'm hoping I'm going to be able to stick it all together and it's going to look yay at the end. In the meantime, while we're waiting for me to catch up from whatever I was doing there, health updates. Let's see. Jack is just a bottle of nerves, dressed ready to, when you put Mentos in Coke, that I would wait for that. He's been not feeling well. We did put off 2 appointments for him this week, but he was really the end of the rope. I can tell when it's serious and when I just don't feel like it. So this is a good chance for him to wind down because there won't be anything else until after the holidays now. I have one more appointment for my dentist this week on Tuesday. I will be getting my little choppers. That'll be nice. I'll be on the viewing bit of the camera a little more, I think. What else is new? Oh, my oldest granddaughter, 3, had her first ugh cold, and she did not appreciate it, and she doesn't think she deserved to have it. She's really cute. There we go. See, I've got all the pink pieces ready to go, and there you have it, nice and neat and tidy to see. So the little pink piece in between here that I'm going to put in, what I wanted to look like antennae, I had such a hard time keeping it on. I should have been smart enough to do it at the end of it instead of trying to do it now. Although I think it might have been all I had left to do. I'm not sure. Yeah, see, again, this is being done with a glue stick. The reason being is a glue stick costs nothing in comparison to resin. So for any prototypes, that's the word, for anything like that, I use alternative stuff. I don't like to, I'm not going to waste expensive material to see if something's going to work out. So I have to admit the glue guns are a little harder to work with, but it gives you a good idea of what you're getting at the end of the day when you put it together. So we're going to try it again. Turn, maybe? Turn again, maybe. See, that glue gun stuff's hot though. But like I said, it is a great way to save for anything that you're trying out. I kind of like that view of my table now with the camera hanging over top. Just, I should say, me being more aware of it, I guess, is the thing. I have the flip piece up to look at me now instead of, it used to just be not turned towards me. And now you see I'm staying for the most part, unless it's something that I have to like be more physical with. I'm mostly on screen, which is good, so that's improving. And then we're going to glue gun the frame that I made to the clip itself. What am I doing? I'm thinking about it. Yeah. Okay, so no frame, right straight on. And we are going to whip the glue gun out. And then we are going to, oh, we'll get some bubbles. Bubbles. Bubble. Yeah, now, okay, see, I have a thought here in a moment. You'll catch on right away what I mean. Hot glue gun, hot glue gun, hot glue gun. Pain in the butt to stick on. So then we go again with the hot glue gun. And this time, we go right to the source. Alrighty. So, yeah, this was where I went all in and just stuck the whole thing. See, gob glue on the end, and then right into the container of the bubbles. See how many stick. Give it a good go round. Okay, knocking off anything loose. There, now see, we have pretty even clumps, I think, of stuff in between there. And then we're going to set the butterfly into it. At least I think that's the plan. I couldn't tell you for sure. Yeah, there we go. See? Okay, so those are translucent. They're just little tiny air bubble things. You could use them for a million different, like all kinds of purposes. Okay, so let's just put these back in before I knock the whole thing over, because it wouldn't be the first time that a large container of small items have fallen out of my fingers. Waiting to see if everything's cool enough. And I know I haven't seen, I've got to take a few out because they've gone underneath. I'm checking the hinges as well at the same time, because if you have bubbles in the hinges, it won't work. There we go. There we go. Yep. See, now the reason that they're all popping off, which is absolutely fine, is because it is the type that latches over the hair, like your hair's in between the two and then it clicks in. So the click in bit has to be kind of done over and over and over to make sure that those parts aren't going to fall off. All right. All together. There we go. So now we have to put the centerpieces on. Here I'm kind of more warming the hot glue that's there than really adding too much. It's very, very messy. Like I said, glue gun is purely for prototype business, and things you just want to give a whirly to, that some craft or paper craft idea that you've gotten somewhere. All right. We need more bubbles. What were we doing with them? Oh, yes. We put some along in the edge of what would be the body of the butterfly. That's what we use them there for. Yeah. Glue gun again, like I said. It's nonsensical to waste good materials. I like it. It turned out quite pretty. My problem with it, or my main thought with everything, is always hair catch. Will it catch the hair? The worst feeling in the world. This one I wore yesterday or the day before, all day long. It's comfortable. I don't think I lost many of the little bubbles off of it or anything. I'd have to count. Okay, so I decided to go ahead with the second one. It's the same wing pattern thing, but I've just put the pieces on in a different way. There's also no bubbles on that one. That has the wings go out on either side, and I did actually put little gold balls in the ends on each of the, where you have, because normally it's all done and then you put the wire through or whatever it is that you're using and close it off. So yeah, So this was a lot of fun. I'm going to put some more thought into it. The idea's not a bad one. Maybe I'll try again, unsure. But there you go. So you have a great rest of the day. If you wouldn't mind, you want to hit one of those buttons, subscribe, say hi. Thanks.